Hey Howard, I'm Timun Mas. Yes, that Timun Mas. The girl who popped out of a golden cucumber. We're start. I know, but trust me, it gets better. Well, also worse, but then better again. Stick with me, cause I'm gonna tell you the story in detail. Once upon a jungle free time in Java, a sweet old lady named Mbok Sirni was super lonely. No kids, no grandkids, just her and her overstepping vegetable patch. One day, bam! Some creepy green-skinned giant popped out of nowhere and said, "No, want a tall, Lennis cucumber seed." No. If a shady forest monster ever give you mystery seed, do not blame them. But guess what? She did. And surprise, out came a squishy giggling baby from inside a shiny golden cucumber. Yeah, that part even burst me out. But I grew up fast. Probably on the vitamins. And Mbok Sirni raised me like her own. Life was awesome. I ran to rice fields, playing hide and seek with butterflies and but orange chickens. I was living the dream until dun dun dun. The ogre come back. You promised me the girl. He growled. What? Excuse me? I'm not a library book you can just borrow. But Sirni freaked out, understandably, and had me a mystery book. Use this when you're in danger, she said. Honestly, not the kind of person I was hoping for. Cue my epic jungle case. Let me tell you, being chased by a giant is terrifying. And look, dum, dum, dum. The race shook, first panic. I'm pretty sure monkey were left dreaming it. I tossed the first item from the pouch. Cucumber? Not just any cucumber. Super cucumbers. They explode into a wild, thorny fine jungle. Mr. Giant tripped and screamed something unprintable. Oh, help me! Next, but he kept coming. Next, needles. Boom! A forest of bamboo spikes erupted. Pretty proud of that one. But this guy still stomping. Then saw a tidal wave of salty swim water rose from the ground like something out of an action movie. He howled, his skin bubbling. Too spicy for you? I said, okay, maybe I may say that. Last item, shrimp paste. Gross, right? Wrong! It turned into a swirling stinky meat volcano. The ogre slipped, roared, and splat. Let's go. Just like that, the forest went quiet. I was safe. When I got back to Mbok Sirni, we hugged and cried. Then we ate cucumber for lunch. Because irony is delicious. And that, my friends, is how a girl born from a golden vegetable took down a bloodthirsty ogre using everyday kitchen ingredients. Moral of the story, always respect old ladies, never trust the green giants, and never underestimate a girl with snake and pouch full of them. My name is Jasmine from Insan Cendekia boarding school. Goodbye!